This week's top stories. Dry January. 40% of bosses say alcohol affects productivity. 6.5 million people plan to participate in Dry January in 2021, which is up from 3.9 million people last year. With research suggesting many people have been drinking more heavily in the past year, we take a look at the impact alcohol can have on workers. School closures. How effective are schools' COVID safety measures? Prior to the latest national lockdown, educational facilities were operating under government guidance for schools, including safe working and protective measures. We examine some of the main facilities considerations for operating a school under a pandemic. British Cleaning Council urges public to respect rules to protect hygiene operatives. As most of the UK is now in another COVID-19 lockdown, the important role of the cleaning and hygiene industry in ensuring the UK recovers is once again under the spotlight. The chair of the British Cleaning Council is asking the public to respect the hands, face, space guidelines to protect cleaners working at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19. For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.